gotta go down the hill.
No, it's just gonna curve.
Down the hill.
Renai, stop.
Make a video of everything.
Uh-huh.
It'd be so funny when you be asking Daddy to stop so you can take a picture.
My bad.
No, don't take a video of me. I'm gonna be right behind your butt.
Stop.
Give me your tip.
So we're out taking a nature walk. I actually put this nature trail app onto my phone, and I found this one which was kid friendly, and it's like 0.7 miles, and it's like not a high incline, and it is pretty clear, straight to the point, and here we are. So we're about like halfway through the trail. Y'all be careful because it's little. Mickey, come on this side. Come on this side. It's going down this little hill. And yeah, like this is actually the first time that I'm taking the children on a trail without my husband, because typically, or let's just say in the past, I would be terrified or scared to basically be out in my natural habitat. Like, I was the type that was scared to be in the country, that was, y'all, but get out the mud, that was scared to be in the woods and all that. But as you can see, I'm coming out of my shell and I feel safe. I feel good, and I'm happy to be out here with my children, and we all get to, oh yep, and we all get to experience this. And yep, oh, somebody live right there. And we get to experience this and be out in the elements and smell that fresh air. No, we're 50% there. Okay, well, we're 50% there. And then we can go to the playground. But yeah, so comment below if you have ever went on a trail. Okay? She done found a stick from off of the Lion King. Yeah. All right, now we are at the 50% mark. Now we're turning around. This specific trail is a loop path. So yeah, we're just going around a loop. And I mean, all of these trees look pretty asleep, but spring is right around the corner. So in like a couple of weeks, we will see a lot of greenery. So I'm super excited. What? Oh yeah, ain't that cute? It is bland out here. All the trees are asleep. Just don't look nothing like where no Tarzan was. Tarzan was in the like Amazon. Yeah, girl. Look nothing like no Tarzan. Oh look. That sounds so pretty, don't it?
Yeah, that's what me might be listening to.
Renai, please stop. Hold on, Mick. That hill ain't that steep. Stop playing. Alright, so we're crossing over this bridge.
Oh, Mickey got a stick too.
Oh, he done found a stick. We're crossing over this bridge. Mick. There's this little water.
Look.
They want another one. It's off.
So now we're about to go up. Then we'll be at the finish line pretty soon. And then I have some pretzels and some fruit waiting for them and a playground. So hold on. Let me turn the camera. Oh God, hold on.
Mom, you got some steps.
Alright. I need to try to not. Oh! Oh my God. Her sneakers gonna need to be washed. Yours. Ooh, and so was mine. Ugh. Yeah, I didn't know that it was gonna be a lot of mud, but I didn't even think about it.
Oh, yeah, it's cabbage.
Ain't no cabbage. Come on. Let me turn it around. Then we're at the top of the hill.
What's your name?
Rocky.
Rocky.
He's so sweet.
Aww. Uh-huh. I got little Rocky on the dog. Huh? And
This way. We are not going that way. This is where my loss is.
all right, Renee, so we are coming up at the end of the trail. How was it? And be honest, not dramatic. It was good. Renee, it was like 1, 2 little steep hills.
No, that other one was big.
Yeah. All right, well, I'm happy that you came out here. Now we're at the end of the trail and there's a playground. So we haven't came on. Hold on. Let me catch my breath real quick. All right, so I caught my breath. And now we are at the playground. I'm about to get me some water. Renaya, stop. Some water and eat these oranges. And then we're going to have some pretzels in a little bit. And yeah, we're going to go on home. Huh? Oh. Well, they probably turned it off, Mick, because it's not hot outside yet. All right, Dusty, here's the playground.
Go, Mom. It's fun. Mommy, look. Try and get up. Try and get up.